What does a $475,000 home look like in Avondale, Arizona? This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is just over 2,100 square feet and is the perfect blend of elegance and charm, nestled close to shopping, entertainment, and sporting venues. Inside, we are met by an open floor plan, gorgeous tile throughout all the main living areas, and a split floor plan for extra privacy. The primary bedroom features a ton of natural light, a massive walk-in tiled shower, and an oversized closet. The backyard is a private oasis for relaxing by the heated pool for those chilly winter nights or enjoying the stunning Arizona sunset. Whether buying or selling in Avondale or other Phoenix metro cities, contact me, Ashley Karn, for your real estate needs.